I'm Georgie Holbrook. I'm here to talk about how to solve almost any health issue at the cell level. In the 1990s, scientists and doctors discovered equipment to see how a cell communicates. They discovered that the cells have antennas that reach out and touch each other and say, are you a virus, a bacteria, a cancer cell, and destroys it. We've heard that. But we've also known from the day we were born, our body, by design, knows how to do healing and repair. But what they discovered is that those cell antennas have to be coated with 8 nutrients in order to communicate correctly. They also discovered that when enough of those cells don't communicate, that the adrenals, which is a fight or flight system located right around our kidneys in the back of our body, go into a fight or flight by taking the adrenaline, pumping it into the bloodstream incorrectly, giving you symptoms like hair loss, memory loss, exhaustion, feeling lifeless inside, feeling like there's not enough product out there that I can take. That was my experience, that could turn my life around. But I didn't know. I wasn't addressing what was going on at the cell level that would calm my body down and help it return to health and healing. So I was having vision loss also. So this science company, science and doctors, discovered how to make those 8 nutrients, and they have some 53 patents on it. That's how important it is, and how rare and unusual, and how we have an opportunity that this product is a powder. It's almost tasteless. You can give it to babies, to the elderly, doesn't matter. The main thing is our body does the healing. Now we're giving it the tools to do its own healing. So those 8 nutrients, 5 are found in mother's milk. All natural. So if we go back generations, we would find that your grandpa and grandma had a garden with rich soil where they cared for the soil. No chemicals. And 3 to 4 days before they harvested was when those 8 nutrients came into play. So keep that in mind. Fast forward, today in our markets, a lot of things are green harvested. They're shipped from anywhere and everywhere in the world. They're not harvested and then put on our kitchen tables unless we have our own gardens. But a lot of our land is depleted these days. But we're looking at how to turn all that around. So at the cell level, remember, from the day you were born, your body has done healing and repair. Now we're going to give it the 8 nutrients it needs so that it can not only prevent health issues, but turn your life and those of your loved one around. Let's stop the suffering by understanding what the tools are that the body needs in order to self-correct. So like me on Facebook and YouTube, go to my website, georgieholbrook.com, and on there you'll find a video by a doctor that actually explains, and visually you'll be able to see how the cells communicate. But I have many, many testimonies on people that I witnessed personally that I've helped heal. I didn't do the healing. I just was led and guided to find somebody that I could help and educate them. It's not a quick process. You didn't get symptoms overnight, but it is the tools and the answer and the key to self-healing, in my opinion. Because I've been offered a lot of product and I've tried a lot of product, but there's nothing on the planet that I've found, number one, that has 53 patents, and that I have proven over and over and over again. When people take it, they see results. And it might take a little time because healing takes whatever it takes, whatever issue you're dealing with. But I can educate you, and I can take you by the hand and take you from where you are to where you want to be. So, thank you for watching, and together we can help our loved ones and our family get educated at what's really going on at the cell level and feel empowered that trial and error remedies we don't need to deal with any longer. We just go for the answer. That's what we're all looking for, the answer. Thank you.